Here we go. So I shoveled my walkway. Shovel, 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 shovel. Yeah, I made a path. But look, I've got a nice big foot of snow. Look what maintenance did for theirs. Yeah, I'm still shoveling. But check this out. So this is me shoveling. That's why I'm out of breath. Look at what maintenance did for them. Maintenance stopped right there. My car's right here. Not only that, maintenance plowed behind the other cars pretty nicely, as you can see. But then, what happens to the snow that they plowed? They put it right in front of my car. So, I have a big old berm right in front of my car, literally placed there by maintenance. Because you see how much bigger that thing is. And it's right in front of my car. I haven't moved my car. But guess what? My neighbor hasn't moved their car either. The space behind their car is a lot less to shovel. I know it's maintenance because we don't have people just wandering around with shovels, all nice and kindly, going up and down the walkways nice and sharp for everybody. Most of us take care of our own, and yet I'm taking care of my own. Clark Homes, Flagstaff Housing Corporation, maintenance, for some reason likes to trap in the black lady. How very interesting.